And today's class is very interesting class on application side. Some of you are very good in case of trading. Uh, since we are discussing about the capital market, it is also very important that you must know about the how these people are trading in stock market. Say for example, if our Jojo is to buy and sell the shares, what Jojo has to do? It is very simple nowadays. In those days, it was very tough. We had to approach brokers. They will say, no, 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 why you want to buy the shares? Whether you will be a competitor. All these questions they will ask, and they will have a nice ego. These things will go on as usual. But nowadays, it is not like that. Once it was introduced, most of them thought that it is only for Mumbai Walas, not for any other people. They assume that only Mumbai Walas will go for share trading. Now it is not like that. After the 50 years of the regime, everything changed. You can do the trading anytime, at any place, at anywhere also. Only thing, be aware of the apps you are using. It may steal your information. It may go for automatic credits or debits. So, okay, usually before starting the class itself, I am giving the warning. Even though we are going to discuss nicely about the share trading, how you can do, and what is the mechanism involved in the conceptual manner. Most of the traders are recommending that keep a separate mobile and create a dummy email ID. Dummy email ID means it may be yours only. You can create. Say, for example, our Jacob may create instead of Jacob Matthew, Jacob 123456 7. He will create a separate mail ID and he will use separate phone. No other apps will be in that phone. That is the recommendation given by the SEBI itself. Don't use the regular phones for that purpose. The reason is most of the persons they use to steal the information through some of the apps from your phone and your accounts are debited automatically. So for the bank account purpose, you have to keep some other phone, your regular phone, but for share trading, better if you are using the app for trading, have a separate phone, an Android phone. Never use any other app with that one, only one app what you are going to use. That is the warning before starting the class because some of them are using immediately. Even the Security Exchange Board of India clearly given the guidelines. Due to online hackers, ethical hacking is going on. These are really some negative thoughts. So be alert before starting our class. Okay. So our class is today is practical one. So in my view, once if you gone through all these things, you are able to trade. I hope within a week time you are able to trade and gain very nice amount and you can use it for pocket money and you can use that money for your own brand building effect. Hmm? Because at this age only you have to build your brand. That is important thing. Once if you build your brand, then automatically your career will be moving in a right direction. That is my suggestion before entering into the trading mechanism what we are going to study. And when we comes to the podcast regarding our topic, there are two nice podcasts. That is the news. I hope I already posted in the group two answers. I think one from KK, that is Kiran Kumar. Another news, I think podcast answer is from Rani. Only two podcast answers this time I received. There are around 53 students, but only two students are responding. Of course, I think they are not worrying about their assignment. Remember that the scores for you is also very important. You have to get score in activity. You have to participate in the podcast activity. It consists of around 10 marks for you. So let us see the first podcast. Very interesting thing. Now there's one app from Jiffy. I think some of you might have downloaded, some of you might have seen that one. Now, in case of that app, it is using even the derivative prices as well as the mode of buying in a user-friendly method. But app is using a tough end coding system. But for the customer side, they are moving towards the very easiest method. That is the news. Why I am posting that news means you must know that most of the tradings are happening through the app only. And this app is linked with the BSE and NSE through the famous share brokers. I think you know Motilal Oswal. They are the first persons to introduce the different types of apps for share trading. And now everybody is having Share Khan, if he entered into Carvey Financials, number of things. All these IFS, all these people are having their own app for trading. So if our Jacob Matthew wish to trade today, he can use this app. You need not go for any other big method for buying and selling. Of course, these are all provided by the intermediaries, that is brokers only. First, you must understand, not by the BSE or NSE. Of course, they have to register in BSE and NSE. Through that link, they only created a nice coding for the app. So now the apps are very common. To understand that only, I posted that news. And another interesting news is also there. One of the app, stock trading app, Stock Grow, which has been introduced by the startup person, Ajay Lahotia. He created a nice method, a transparent portfolio. Transparent portfolio means if you are investing in different securities, you are able to know clearly which security is gaining momentum, which security is going in downward direction. All these things you are able to identify in this app. Once you subscribe to the tab, if you open the app after creating a nice portfolio, say for example, our Joel Pal created a nice portfolio about 10 securities offered from a nice brokers. So if Joel Paul is waking up and seeing the mobile phone, he is able to see clearly what is its performance, each and every stock, how it is doing, whether the Sensex increasing or decreasing, whether the particular price of the security is increasing or decreasing. Joel Paul can easily see so that he can change the portfolio if he desires. A nice system introduced by the startup. You can see that one. You are also by this age group. I think you have to come forward without any fear. Still, there are number of fear among you. Hmm? Come forward and you can, if you know, some of them may be a very good software engineer. I know you have studied BE and now you are coming for MBA. So if you are having a nice knowledge of coding or creating the app, you can join hands, use that one. Others try to use the app so that you will know clearly how the trading is going on. That's what the advantage is. If our Kiran Kumar wish to gain some money, morning if he is coming to college by 9 o'clock, by 8:30 after having his nice breakfast, he will enter which stock he can buy. He can invest just 5,000 rupees. After 5:30, when he is going back to his room or house, he can see how this 5,000 becomes 6,000. Every day he can gain 1,000 rupees, provided when he, before going for sleep, Kiran Kumar has to see what is the position of the stock, how the stocks are moving, what will happen tomorrow. If he is able to predict well, nicely with his mindset, then he is able to gain. Every day 1,000 rupees minimum he can gain. But it depends upon the Sensex movement. Even though yesterday the Sensex decreased, some of the stocks gained. So if you gone through that one, you will learn number of things. Nobody will lose because our markets are now moving in a right direction. Even in case of ED class, we have discussed about the other things also. Previous class we have discussed about the Zomato, how the Zomato is moving nicely. So based upon that, my view, dear students, you are not only studying in a conceptual manner, try to introduce that one in your practical life. The next time when I am asking Roja, Roja will say, sir, I have earned around 10,000 rupees. She is able to tell. Roja, are you able to tell like that?
Yes, sir.
Good, Roja. You can see the positive answer from Roja. Yes, let us see. So I'm going slowly, so don't worry, because this is very important thing for you in practical life as well as for your application of the course. Okay. So most of them are using app. How they are getting from information from the BSc or NSC, the stockbrokers. If you want to create an app, how you can create, where you can get the information. So for this purpose, now in case of India, SEBI created the request for code platform, RFQ platform. It is available for the share brokers. You might have seen the share price movement in BSE. It is moving in green color, red color, all these things. This information now will be directly shared with the share brokers. If you are a share broker, this information will be shared with you by the BSE and NSE. Based upon that only, you can create coding for creating app, or you can create your own software for deciding the buying and selling activity. The source information is given by the stock exchanges in the form of RFQ. There is a request for quotes. It is available to the share brokers. That's what I am telling. The share brokers only creating the app, not BSc or NSC. We have to depend upon the apps created by the share brokers. We have already discussed the share brokers has to pay huge amount to BSc and NSC. Then only they are able to become share brokers. Once they become share brokers, they can run their own firm. You can see Motilal Oswal, Harvey Financials. These were the brokers. We are going to see all those things. Okay. And from the BSc and NSC, they can get the source data from the RFQ. That is the first thing. Basic thing you must know clearly. Okay, based upon that only anybody can create their own app. You can see that once one of the organization, one of the share broker from Samco, they created a nice app. They used to call it as Stock Note. Number of organizations are creating the app. Here in this example, they are saying that they are going to charge rupees 20 rupees per transaction. We used to call it in technical terms, this 20 rupees as the flotation cost. I hope you have studied in corporate finance. When you are studying about the calculation of cost of capital for debt or equity, a nice term called flotation cost. Okay, same thing. They used to charge rupees 20 per transaction. If our Pramod is trading, is giving instruction to the Samco and he is telling, I need to buy 20 shares of Wipro. So what these people will charge? They will charge 20 rupees as the transaction cost. A transaction means Pramod is ready to buy around 10 to 20 shares. This is considered as a transaction. For that purpose, they are charging. It depends upon the persons, the stock broking agency. Some of the stock broking agency is saying that you can register for free. Here it is a free account. You can download the app and you can register free itself. But some of the share brokers, they are charging their deposit amount of around 10,000 rupees, like that. Okay. So this is a simple example I am telling. The stock note given by the Samco. You can see some of the things what these people are telling about. I've taken this one from their website. So this is sample. This is from the web. You have to register for the free demo account, and registration is now free. You can see, but the charges are different. It depends upon the transactions. Per transaction, they will charge. You can see that one. They used to mention what they are going to do, all those things. And they are also providing some of the services. And this app is available in almost all the major platforms. And they used to give the views of the clients, customer review. Like our Amazon customer review, here they used to tell about what their customers are saying. See that one, that is the concept of app for trading. In conceptual method, you must know what is RFQ. These persons are depending upon the RFQ from the BSE or NSE. So you should be very clear. I am telling some example. You can download any app. Any app means this is stock trading app. But these are all the basic things you must know first time. Okay. Moving to the some other app I am showing. Some of them also they are showing the graphical representation of what is happening. As I already told, new apps, they introduce the nice platform. If you are investing in a particular security, say for example, Sahana is buying the security from Tata Motors Limited. So whenever Sahana is opening this app, it will show clearly what is the present position of the Tata Motors share price at present, whether it is increasing or decreasing, whether or it is moving in a flat direction, what is its volatility, it will clearly mention in the form of the candlestick diagram. You will study all these things in finance analytics, how to create this candlestick diagrams, everything. So they will see. So immediately Sahana, by seeing this app, okay, I have invested in Tata Motors. Now it is increasing. Even if it is decreasing, she can see that one. That is the additional services provided by this stockbroking agency to their customers. Customers in the sense, we are all called the investors. You must understand the basic thing, okay? Coming to the next very important thing, how the stakeholders are classified. When you are going to trade, what is your position? I have taken a simple example from one of these because you must know there are different persons involved in that one. Okay, what are all the features they are giving? Who are all the stockbrokers? Who are all the sub brokers? How to calculate the brokerage calculator, demat account. Regular procedure, investor should have the demat account. It is given by the NSDL. Then for the purpose of trading, number of platforms are available. Then some of the apps are giving the comparison with other securities. They are giving the information about the IPOs, PMS, that is other thing. Okay, these are all doing. And coming to the stockbrokers, you can see here some example. Only you must understand. Once again, the stockbrokers are classified into full service brokers, then discount brokers, advisory firms. These advisory firms will give only advice. They want buy and sell. You can say that one. Whether you can buy, they are giving advisory. If you are a corporate, they are charging flotation cost for their advisory consultancy also. We'll see some of the examples in India. You can see full service brokers. Few examples I am telling, which is quoted here. Angel Broking, Sharekhan, Kotak, SBI Cap Securities, Geojit, PNB Paribas. You may have the chance to work in some of these organizations. Even Reliance, Axis, IDBI, they are called as the full service brokers. They are registered in the stock exchange in the form of brokers. So they are able to perform buying and selling activity. In my view, if you want to buy a share, these are all called as the retailers, like in marketing. If you want to buy some product, let us assume you want to buy a nice wristwatch or a wall clock to your home. What you are doing, you are going to Lulu market and you are seeing, oh, there are different type of clocks are there, wall clocks are there, you are seeing and then you are buying. So what is the role of Lulu? Lulu is acting as a retailer. We are the customer. Lulu is said to be the retailer. In the same manner, we are all investors. As an investor, we have to see the retailer. Retailer means angel brokers, Kotak securities, all are said to be retailers in the capital market. So what you have to do, you have to approach them and you can find out how you can buy. Next, coming to the discount brokers. Discount brokers means they are having a right to sell at less prices. Of course, they will interact in a different price, but for you, they are giving the easiest method to buy and they will sell that if the share price is 200 rupees, you can give us 195 rupees. They are having the offers. They are doing very nice example in recently Zomato. IPO, you might have seen Paytm. I have already shown you one image relating to that one. Paytm mentioned that if you want to buy Zomato IPO, you can use Paytm itself. Nice thing. So Paytm is acting as a broker, and for our purpose, they are coming under the discount brokers. Even 5 Paisa, Samco, what we have discussed. These are all the persons who will give immediate discount and you can buy immediately. Like our Big Bazaar, how they are giving discount. Even Amazon, they are also giving discount on the prime sale like that. Here, they used to give the discount. So it is an easiest method. If you are having Paytm app, you can use that one for buying the Zomato IPO. You might have seen suddenly the ad is coming in the Paytm when you are opening that one. And you might have seen, are you ready to buy Zomato IPO? Nice. So this is a shortcut method. Say for example, if our Shailesh wish to buy the shares immediately, he can approach any one of the discount brokers through the app and you can buy and sell quickly. Coming to the next type of brokers, they are the advisory firms. You can see Dalal Street, SP Tulsian, very nice thing in Bombay. Tulsian is very famous. Prudent Equity, I think some of you are in Madhya Pradesh. Prudent Equity is very famous in Indore, Bhopal region. Trade India is very common. It is everywhere. Dalal Stock is also, of course, Dalal Stock name is from Mumbai, but everybody is now asking the Dalal Stock. But they are charging huge money for their advisory. If you want to invest crores and crore rupees, say for example, our Sagar decided to take next movie with Rajinikanth. So what Sagar will do? He need huge investment. He can approach the advisory firms. I need huge income, so I am having around only 1 lakh rupees. But if I wish to take a small advertisement with Rajinikanth, it goes up to 50 lakhs. So you can give me a nice advice how I can change 1 lakh into 50 lakhs. They'll say, okay, I will give nice suggestion. If you convert into 50 lakhs, you have to give me 5% commission of 50 lakhs. Such type of people, they are working. But some of them are said to be success because entire capital market is a speculation activity. Remember that one. That is the very important thing. You may suddenly become a millionaire or crorepati or lakhpati. Suddenly you may not have zero amount. That is quite possible. So these people used to give the advisors. Okay. Likewise, in case of sub brokers, same, if full brokers also comes under the sub brokers. You can see that one some sub broker. Here also we are having the franchising. Franchising means they will come part of the main broker. Geojit franchise. They are working with the BNB Paribas. Under the brokers, they are all the sub brokers. You can see the Lulu Mart. Of course, its head office is actually located in Dubai, but for us, in case of India, its headquarters is in Cochin, but it is having number of retail outlets in Bangalore, in different places. Not only in India, even in abroad, they are having. These Lulu markets are the sub markets of the Lulu. I think in Cochin, it is there's a very big shop of the Lulu. It is equal to a big mall. Hmm? I think some of our friends are there. Who visited Lulu there? I am I not traveled to Cochin last 2 years. Before that, I still remember. Nobody.
Yes, sir.
Good. You have visited Lulu.
Yes, sir. It's a big mall.
Very good. Whether you have purchased anything nicely, how many rupees you have purchased?
Sir, it's a bit costly there.
Ah,
So
you can see.
it's nice to roam there, the whole thing.
Very good. I appreciate that one. You are correct and ethical answer. Even when I was in Cochin, I visited just for one program along with our faculty members. We went there. Only we visited. They are having a window shopping. Nicely, everything is there. Then under that, I think that McDonald, we had a nice burger. Then we left. But you can say they are having its own agencies in different places. You can see in Bangalore, even now they have started in Chennai, all these places. They are the sub-broking agency. Same thing. Here it is the sub-brokers means they are form part of the main brokers. Okay. But here they used to mention as franchising. Very important thing. Likewise, Those people in Bangalore knows about the A to B. Hmm? A to B is actually from Chennai, I think. Adayar Anand Bhavan we used to call. But now it is saying as A to B. A never refers to Adayar Anand Bhavan, etc. You can see some of the A to Bs in different places. I think in Kamanahalli, even in case of Nagavara, even Majestic, a number of places they are having its own franchising unit. Its head office actually started in Chennai, but now they are given only franchise. So these are called the franchising unit, same method. In case of stockbroking also, there are some franchising unit. You can buy from that one. Instead of buying A to B in Chennai, you are buying him from Kamnahalli. Our friends Neeraj used to visit A to B, but whether he is taking food, I don't know. What Neeraj, have you visited A to B?
Yes, I have.
Uh, which branch? Which franchising unit?
I don't remember. So I think Kamnali one. So yeah.
Kamnahalli, okay. It is famous for vegetarian foods. But it is only a franchise. Remember that. Same manner. In case of share broking also, these are the franchising unit. In, you must understand that one. Okay. Then as usual, there are calculators. Calculators means how you can calculate the margin money, that is share broking. If you are buying the share now, how much you have to pay, what will be the brokerage charges, what will be commission, what will be the GST, everything, all these things, the calculators will calculate. All these companies, the angel broking is very nice one. It will tell. Say for example, our friend Sandhya decided to buy a share. Around she used to buy 100 shares through angel broking. But what Sandhya used to see, she will see the BSE. In case of BSE, they are clearly mentioning green mark, red mark, share price. Say, for example, ACC share price. In BSE, ACC share price, they are telling at present it is 1,800 rupees. So Sandhya assumed that, okay, 1,800 rupees we can pay. That's all Sandhya assumed. But it is not like that. When Sandhya decided to buy, there are some hidden charges come. Definitely it go plus 300 rupees some cases. Minimum it will go plus 100, which includes GST, etc. So never assume that if the share price is 1,800, you have to pay just 1,800. All the hidden charges you have to pay. For that purpose, they created a nice calculator. And in this calculator, you can also have the statistical estimation. Whether our share price will move up or down, that also you can see. So these are all the futures they are giving. You must know before the trading. Then the demat account, that you know, dematerialized account. And you have to open the demat account. Of course, they will create that one. So you can see that one demat account are provided by all these brokers. Usually it is very common. But some of them are providing only trading services. The demat account depends upon the trading and intraday trading also. So in such case, you can have the account. But when you are seeing that one, you can use some other thing. Say for example, Yes Bank. You may have the demat in Yes Bank account, but you are trading. During the trading, you can use the angel broking trading, but your account may be in Yes Bank. That is also nowadays possible. But some of them are only giving, not everyone. Be clear. So that is the advantage of some of the organization. You can trade through ICICI direct trading, but your demat account may be mentioned by the Motilal Oswal. That is also possible nowadays. But you must know clearly whether they are giving. Before trading, you must know all those things. Because some of them, say for angel broking is having trading services as well as in case of demat account. So most probably, if you are trading through the angel broking app, if you are having angel trading demat account, it is very easy. They won't charge any money because they are coming under the trading services as well as with the demat. So that is the plus point using the angel broking services. If you are using abstract trading and you are using the Yes Bank demat account, definitely Yes Bank will mention what will be the charges because you are using the trading services of abstract. So for that purpose only you have to use the calculator and find out. Most of them simply trading means after that they will tell these people are saying one amount, but they are charging different amount. You must know these are the charges. How to trade clearly before going for trading. These are all the basic thing. Another thing, intraday trading. Only few organizations are permitted for intraday trading. But if you are in our Kiran example, Kiran is investing morning and evening he needs money means he is seeing the intra trade. After the class hours, during the lunch hour, he will go and see the mobile, which company is moving up and down today. For that purpose also, they can use the platform. Mostly Angel Broking, Samco, IFL, all Sharecon, they are having all these platform at once. So if you are using in the such type of organizations, you can trade directly. Your charges will be less. So you must understand that one. Okay, that is the demat account. Which demat account you have to use. Likewise, platform for trading. That is the original one. You must buy and sell by seeing that one. How to sell, how to buy. You can see there are number of mobile trading app available. I am giving only few examples, but in market more and more stock trading apps are there. Try to find out. Usually I started with Abstracts Pro app. Now I deleted that app because it used to get information from my mail. So then only I came to know that we should use different phone in which there should not be any email IDs, only dummy email IDs, that thing. Otherwise what this apps will do, it will steal your information. It will ask your permission. What we will think, okay, you will say yes. Then it will take everything. So be clear with that one. There are number of mobile trading apps are there. India Bulls first they introduced, but now they are having that one. Plus trading platforms that is used by all the organization. You can use the online method. You can use in your laptop or desktop, whatever it may be. You can use that is the trading platform. You need not go to BSE, sorry, and NSE for the purpose of selling. Instead of that one, you can use this organization because they are subscribing for RFQ from the BSE or NSE. And comparison, when you are buying, these persons are having collaboration. They can compare. What if you are using the angel broking, they will tell. If you are using Motilal Oswal, how much they will charge. Say for example, our Kishore is buying from angel broking. Immediately angel broking will tell. It will compare with the ICICI Direct, Motilal Oswal, 5 Paisa, Abstract, Zerodha, all these things they will compare and tell you. If you are using 5 Paisa, how much they will charge, how much we are going to charge. So some of the organizations, they are having a nice interlinking with others so that they will show the comparison. Motilal usually used to compare with number of organizations. They will compare the brokers, not the share price. Be clear. For buying and selling the securities, how much you have to pay. They used to give nice comparison. See that one. So that is called the comparison thing you must know. Remaining thing, IPOs, anything. They may give about the IPO details. Even some of the apps we have already discussed, Paytm, they will tell about the IPOs, all these things. This is quite common. Okay. Coming to the technical terms used in trading, this is a very big ocean. And I am telling basic thing you must know. The buy, sell option, bidding. All are bidding only. In case of bidding means you can put the money, this money I am ready to buy. So finally it may increase or decrease. Ask how much you are asking. Okay, bull market means if it is increasing, bear market means if it is decreasing. Bid ask means our Nikhil may ask for the broker, I am ready to buy ACC Siemens if it is selling between 1,250 to 2,000 rupees. And they may fix the different one. Limit order. What will be the maximum amount you are ready to buy? Volatility means speculation. Day order. Which time we can buy and sell? How we can cancel that one? Once if you are satisfied, you can execute that one. Okay. These are all the interesting thing. The liquidity means cash, all those things. And you have, it depends upon the brokers. Neat anywhere, that is bibliography is available in the apps itself. You need not go and see any books or anything. If you open the app of that person, it will tell, because some of the terms are differ with regarding to the app. You are using iPhone, I am using Samsung. Even there are some differences. Same thing, concept will be same, but the name they used to give in a different method. So in my view, instead of studying from the textbook, you can study, you can see in the app and find out. Okay. Another important thing, ARQ score. ARQ score will tell clearly what will be your return. Like credit rating for securities for your portfolio, these apps will give ARQ score. Based upon that, you can buy and sell. That is the information given by that one. You can see the sample example of Angel Broking app. In case of Angel Broking, what they are doing, you can see in that one, showing that one. I have muted the sound for you. This is sample in Angel Broking. This is from Angel Broking, how to buy and sell through the app. So all these informations are available. That is, you can also link with the non-angel brokers. That is ARQ score, which will tell you about the rating for your portfolio. You can see that one. So these are all the nice thing you must know from the angel broking. That is why I am telling all those things. So now in case of India, so that is all relating to the application. Now let us see the conceptual side. Application side better. Nowadays apps are used. That is why I'm telling clearly better you can also try to trade with the apps. Mechanism of online now in case of our stock exchange they are using the VSAT, that is the very small aperture terminal for connecting with the brokers, all those things. This is taken from one of the broking agency. Based upon that how these people used to trade, that is the with the help of the laptop or anything, how you can trade, how you can easily identify what is the present position of the trading, what is the present position of the bids coming. You can easily see by seeing the screen. Once you started, you will know clearly how the price are moving in direction. This is taken from the RFQ from one of the agency. What is the buying price, what is the selling price. If you want to buy, how you can quote a technical term. However, if you are using apps, it is very easy. But this is so if you know the programming well used by the angel broking agency for their employees. So if you study the financial analytics, our maybe will go and sit in the BNP Paribas and he will do. That is why I'm showing all those things. Based upon the RFQ, you can change that one. So in the conceptual level, you can summarize like that. You have to find a broker. You have to open an account. It may be a demat account. Then you can place, you can execute. Then only you can prepare the contract notes, whether our order has been executed or not. So in conceptual method, the what are all the stages in trading in examination point of view. Find a broker, open the account, place the order, make the contract. Then once everything is over, it is the contract note. Then you have to settle the transaction. Once you settle the transaction, you will get the DMAT, that is dematerialized share certificate. It will be available in your account, DMAT account. So these brokers use to give the information. What about the investment? They can give the comparison as well as the representation, whether these shares are available or not. So first stage is, as you know, it is the opening the account with the broker. Nowadays, brokers are making very easy. When you are placing the order, you must know what is the market order. You are giving instruction to a broker. That is the market order. Limit order, you will specify either maximum or minimum money. Stop order means you can give the instruction to your broker anytime to stop. Cancel order means do not proceed further. Stop order is you can stop the particular transaction. Cancel order is you need not do anything for me for at least 1 day. That is the cancellation. You might have done some order previously, you can cancel that one. Now it is possible. But once the payment has been made, you can't do anything. Discretionary order, you can give full power to your broker. Open order, you won't fix the price. Fixed price means you will tell, Rachita will tell, I am going to buy the AC cement price only if it comes 1,000 rupees. That is the fixed price orders. Okay. So these are all the terms we are using when you are making the contract. Contract means buying. Invoice. Here it is the making the contract. Once your contract with your broker is success, the broker will buy and he will execute based upon the contract note. Then he will sell, return back to you in the form of the shares. That is the delivery contracts. How is giving back you? Some cases it may be forward delivery contracts. Forward delivery contract means Rachida purchase ACC Siemens today, but their broker will give the certificates through the DR from the DMAT account later on, after 2 days. Usually it is in the form of 2 or 3 days. Hand delivery, immediately spot delivery, immediate on the transaction. Special delivery, it may take, if you are buying in bulk, it may takes more time. You can see that one, the price can also be manipulated among the different traders. That is using the share brokers. It is also possible. So all these things they are using same thing, clearing corporation only. These are all in theory, but coming to the application, all these works are done by the agents. You need not worry about that one in practical way, but theoretical way you must know. Once you purchase, it comes under the clearing houses. Okay. Here is another chart which your amount will be transacted and settled on the last day. That is called T day. Usually the stock exchanges will go through the transactions and the transaction will be settled T plus 1 day. T plus 1 day means immediately 1 day after the trading day. In some cases, it is available immediately nowadays because BSE and NSE has been already coming under the sophisticated technology. Previously, it takes T plus 3 days, 4 days also. And some cases only on Thursday they will submit. But nowadays it is not like that. Now we are having very good clearing corporations. They will settle within T plus 1 day. T means trading day, plus 1 day means the next day. Today, if trading happens, you will get that one settlement on the next day. So these are all the mechanism what we are using in the share markets to buy and sell. In examination point of view, you know the conceptual side, but from the technical side, you must know how to use the apps. I am unable to see your face now. Switch on your camera for your attendance. Okay. So I hope you might have known something, at least 2 or 3% of stock trading. So you are ready to use some of the stock trading app and you have to gain more. Are you ready to trade? There are a number of mock sites are available. Try that one. Next week I am asking, I will ask, sir, I have traded, I have gained. If you are losing, don't tell me. Because I will accept only positive words. I will say that, have you gained? Yes, Jacob Matthew, how much amount you are going to gain? Unmute and tell me, Jacob.
Not decided, sir.
600.
Not decided, sir.
Now, why you are saying not decided? Ba? You should have courage. Okay, good. Brother, how much amount you are going to trade?
We are not supposed to trade, sir.
Trade means you must know the practices. No? You can use the mark trading, not actual cash delivery. You must know what is the process.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Robin Roy will trade nicely. Yes, Robin, why you are hiding your face? Good. I am expecting more thing from you. We'll see. Anybody who is trading at present? No, anybody is interested in trading, or some of them may already have apps and I think you are trading. Anybody is doing? Why? Thomas? But you are trading already? I think. Which? Which is usual trade? Shailesh? Shailesh, unmute and tell me. Okay. You will see in the next week in offline mode. We can see you person from next week. Until then, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir.